Breaking. Singapore's data center REITs crash 5% this month, but top analysts say this is the biggest buying opportunity since 2020's COVID dip. Before you sell your shares, let me show you 3 reasons why Warren Buffett would love this market madness. Hey Iguana investors, welcome back. It's your boy Iggy from the Investing Iguana. Quick check. How many of you woke up to REIT panic messages this week? Same here. But hold your durians, folks, because Citi Research's Brandon Lee just dropped a bombshell. This sell-off is more overreacted than uncles at a wet market fish discount. Let's get grounded. Our 3 local data center champions, Keppel DC, MapleTree Industrial, Digital Core, collectively lost over $500 million in value this January. That's like 5 million Bakkute orders gone poof. But here's what coffee shop talk gets wrong. First, the AI doomsayers claim development costs are skyrocketing. True story, training ChatGPT-4 cost over $100 million, but Chinese startup DeepSeek just released their R1 model that's 90% cheaper. This isn't 2023's clunky AI. We're talking about systems so efficient they could run on your secondary school calculator. Imagine this, aunties. Your favorite Yongtao Fu stall suddenly charges $10 per bowl. You'd panic, right? But what if they reveal a new recipe that's tastier and costs $1? That's exactly what's happening with AI infrastructure. Cheaper models mean more companies can afford AI, which means more data center demand. Simple as chicken rice economics. Let's get hands-on with the numbers fresh from SGX this week. Keppel DC REIT, down 2.71% to 215. That's cheaper than their 2023 IPO price. MapleTree Industrial, 4.02% dropped to 215. Their dividend yield just hit 7.2%, higher than OCBC's fixed deposits. Digital Core REIT, biggest fall at 5.17% to 0 or 55 lives. But here's the kicker. Their occupancy rate remains 98.6%. That's like your Tampines flat always having tenants. Now my West Coast uncles ask, Iggy, why buy when prices keep dropping? Let me flip that. When Singtel shares crashed during COVID, who regretted buying its $2? Exactly. Quality assets on sale beat overpriced deals any day. I hear you, but the US banned chip exports to China. True, but here's what Bloomberg isn't telling you. Whether it's Tencent's AI or Microsoft's cloud, all need Southeast Asian data centers. And guess who's Asia's most neutral tech hub? Our REITs are the safe deposit boxes for digital gold. Here's a pro tip. Using CPFOA funds to buy REITs? Remember the 35% limit and liquidity rules. But with current prices, a 10K investment could get you $700 annual dividends. That's like an extra BTO renovation fund every year. The first step is to audit your portfolio and ensure that no more than 10% of your total investments are allocated to REITs. Diversification is key to managing risk. So it's important not to overexpose yourself to any single asset class, even if it seems promising. Next, take the time to research the debt profiles of these 3 REITs, Keppel DC, MapleTree Industrial, and Digital Core. Understanding their financial health, including their debt-to-equity ratios and interest coverage, can give you a clearer picture of their long-term stability. Lastly, consider adopting a dollar-cost averaging strategy by investing a fixed amount, say $500 per month. This approach helps you spread out your investments over time, reducing the risk of buying at a market peak and allowing you to benefit from price fluctuations in the long run. Psst. Keppel DC's PB ratio is 0.89x. That's like buying a Mercedes for Perodua money. Final thought. When PayPal first launched, people thought online payments were a fad. Look where we are now. Data centers are the new ports of the digital age. And Singapore? We've been winning the trade hub game since 1819. You really think we'll lose this tech race? Psst. Keppel DC's PB ratio is 0. If you're curious about what other investment opportunities lie ahead this year, check out my video on 3 major investment trends Singapore 2025, according to Saxo's CEO, for more insights into where the market is heading.